Hey guys, this is my my site inspection at Sunscape Splash and Sunscape Cove in Montego Bay, Jamaica in May of 2018. This was honestly one of my favorites, and I think you'll see as we go that it's because it was so family friendly. I just really enjoyed this one. It was not as luxurious or fancy as Secrets and Breathless, but it was really pretty, very well done, and the amazing thing was the children's activity. Look at all those activities. Obviously, they had a huge water park. This is outside of the beach looking towards the water park. This is the water park. Now, it was not Disney standards, okay? It could have used a little bit of fixing up, but it was wonderful. There were so many things for the kids to do. This is the pirate ship and the lazy river. I took lots of pictures of this because I just thought this was amazing. And we talked to one of an elderly couple that was out near the lazy river and asked them how they liked it. They said they've been coming there for like 20 years. They had brought their children there, and now they were bringing their grandchildren. And they said it's perfect because the kids spend the whole time either at the beach or in this lazy river water park. They said there's so much to do that they just have a blast, and we hardly see them, and they always come back. We said we come back every year because everyone in the family loves it. There's some aerial views of the water park. You can see how big it is, and some up close. There's also a pool. Now this is a children's pool. They also have an adults only pool. They have actors come and play fight with the kids on the pirate ship. I thought that was a nice touch. There wasn't one there while we were there, but I thought that was a cute idea. They sent this picture for us to use. There's the adults only pool, so you can see that you don't have to be around all the children if you want, but if you've got a family, particularly a multi-generation family, this is a great choice. The rooms are awesome. They have different levels of suites and rooms. They have a lot of restaurants. This is one of their outdoor restaurants. They have many indoor restaurants. They have about 20 altogether restaurants and bars. This is an overview of the children's area. They have their own little children's club. This is all the activities. And they have a children's club where you can leave your children or you can stay there with them, and they have all their own pools and activities. In addition, there are a lot of water sports.
It gives us life. It inspires us to bring unlimited fun to everyone. Sunscape Resorts and Spas. Eat, play, love. Sunscape Resorts and Spas. Unlimited fun for the kid and everyone.